Hey there, amazing folks. Today's video is all about mastering the art of making money online through powerful and proven strategies. Whether you're seeking an extra income stream, exploring the world of entrepreneurship, or just curious about the exciting digital opportunities out there, you're in for a treat. So get ready to dive into a wealth of knowledge and actionable 5 segments that you can implement and even share with your friends and family. Let's begin this journey together. And remember, the best part is that you can earn while you learn. Let's get started. Segment 1. Freelancing opportunities. Freelancing is an incredible gateway to harnessing your skills and passions while earning money online. The freedom to work on projects of your choice, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world is just the beginning. Let's explore some valuable strategies to excel in the world of freelancing. 1. Build a strong online presence. Establishing a professional website or portfolio that showcases your expertise, previous work samples, and client testimonials can set you apart from the competition. Clients often prefer freelancers with a strong online presence. 2. Specialize and highlight your niche. Identifying your niche and positioning yourself as an expert in that field can attract more relevant and high-paying opportunities. Whether it's writing, design, programming, or marketing, showcase your unique value proposition. 3. Networking and building connections. Expanding your network in the freelance community and beyond can lead to a steady stream of clients and collaboration opportunities. Attend online events, webinars, and engage in relevant social media groups. 4. Pricing strategies. Set your rates competitively, considering factors like your experience, complexity of projects, and market demand. Initially, you may charge slightly lower to build your portfolio and gather positive reviews. 5. Delight clients with exceptional service, going the extra mile, meeting deadlines, and maintaining open communication with clients can lead to repeat business and referrals, solidifying your reputation. 6. Diversify income streams. Don't rely solely on one platform. Explore multiple freelancing platforms and reach out to potential clients directly. This diversification ensures a more stable income flow. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to making a mark in the world of freelancing. But we're just getting started. Keep watching as we uncover more exciting and lucrative ways to make money online. Now, let's move on to the next segment. Segment 2. Online content creation. Content creation has become a powerhouse for individuals seeking creative expression and financial success. From viral videos to captivating blogs, the online content space offers endless opportunities to turn your passion into profit. Let's dive into some essential strategies for excelling in the world of online content creation. 1. Find your unique voice. Identify your unique style and perspective to stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Authenticity resonates with audiences and keeps them coming back for more. 2. Consistency is key. Regularly publish content to keep your audience engaged and eager for more. Develop a content schedule that aligns with your capacity and sticks to it. 3. Engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers, readers, or followers through comments, live streams, and social media. Building a genuine connection fosters a loyal community. 4. Collaborate and cross-promote. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche to reach new audiences. Cross-promotions can be mutually beneficial and expand your reach. 5. Optimize for discoverability. Use relevant keywords, tags, and search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to make your content more discoverable by search engines and platforms. 6. Monetize thoughtfully. Choose monetization methods that align with your content and audience. This may include ads, sponsorships, product promotions, or offering premium content for subscribers. 7. Stay updated on trends. Keep an eye on emerging trends and adapt your content to stay relevant. Being at the forefront of trends can boost your visibility and engagement. Content creation is not just about creativity, it's also a journey of growth and learning. By incorporating these strategies into your content creation efforts, you'll be well on your way to making an impact and building a thriving online presence. If you're finding value in this video, remember to hit the like button and share it with your fellow aspiring content creators. Now, let's move on to our next exciting segment. Segment 3, e-commerce and dropshipping. In e-commerce and dropshipping, entrepreneurs can turn their dreams of running an online store into reality without the burden of inventory management. Let's explore some game-changing strategies to excel in this fast-paced world. 1. Niche selection. Identify a profitable and underserved niche to target a specific audience with unique products. Research market demand and trends to make informed decisions. 2. Reliable suppliers. Partner with reputable suppliers or utilize dropshipping platforms that ensure timely and quality product deliveries. Customer satisfaction is key to long-term success. 3. User-friendly website. Create a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate online store. A seamless shopping experience will boost customer retention and encourage word-of-mouth referrals. 4. Effective marketing. Utilize social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and search engine advertising to drive traffic to your e-commerce site and increase sales. 5. Customer support. Provide excellent customer service through live chat, email, or phone support. Addressing queries and concerns promptly fosters trust and loyalty. 6. Analyze and optimize. Continuously monitor sales data, customer behavior, and website analytics. Use the insights to optimize your store and marketing strategies for better performance. With these powerful strategies in your arsenal, you're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and dropshipping with confidence. Now, on to the next segment, where we explore even more exciting ways to make money online. Segment 4, online courses and ebooks. Are you passionate about sharing your knowledge and expertise with others? Creating online courses and ebooks can be an enriching and profitable endeavor. Let's discover some essential strategies to excel in the world of digital education. 1. Identify your target audience. Determine the specific group of learners who will benefit most from your online course or ebook. Tailor your content to address their needs and challenges. 2. High-quality content creation. Invest time and effort in creating well-structured, valuable, and engaging course modules or ebook chapters. Delivering top-notch content sets you apart in a competitive market. 3. Choose the right platform. Select a reputable online course platform or ebook publishing platform that aligns with your goals and provides the necessary marketing support. 4. Marketing and promotion. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan to reach your target audience effectively. Leverage social media, email campaigns, and partnerships with influencers to promote your offerings. 5. Collect feedback and improve. Listen to feedback from your students or readers and continuously improve your content based on their suggestions. This iterative process enhances the learning experience and boosts your reputation. By implementing these strategies, you're well on your way to becoming an impactful online educator and author. Now, let's move on to the final segment, where we unveil yet another fantastic money-making opportunity. Segment 5, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is like having a team of partners who promote products on your behalf, earning you a commission for every successful sale. It's an ingenious way to make money online without creating your own products. Let's uncover some powerful strategies to excel in the world of affiliate marketing. 1. Choose the right products. Select products that align with your niche and are genuinely valuable to your audience. Promoting products you trust builds credibility with your followers. 2. Build trust through transparency. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships to your audience. Honesty and transparency foster trust, ensuring your audience feels comfortable making purchases through your recommendations. 3. Create compelling content. Craft engaging content that showcases the benefits and value of the products you're promoting. Utilize various formats like reviews, tutorials, and comparison articles to cater to different audiences. 4. Optimize your affiliate links. Use attractive call-to-action buttons and strategically place affiliate links within your content to maximize clicks and conversions. 5. Analyze performance. Track the performance of your affiliate campaigns using analytics tools. Identify what works best and optimize your strategies for higher conversions. With these affiliate marketing strategies at your disposal, you can start earning passive income and expanding your online revenue streams. Congratulations! You've now learned a plethora of strategies for making money online. Remember, the key to success lies in dedication, perseverance, and continuous improvement. Experiment with different approaches, adapt to changes in the digital landscape, and never stop learning. With these strategies and a bit of hard work, you can turn your online endeavors into a stable and rewarding source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fitness buddies, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and best of luck on your online money-making journey. Stay fit.